Hello once again. This is the story I will read to you today. Title is Charlie Meets Some Farm Animals. And this is my little puppy chihuahua Charlie. Mother pigs are sows and baby pigs are piglets. Charlie sees the piglets. He waits for them to come and play. Can you see the piglets? How many piglets can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Charlie sees some cows. A young cow is called a calf. Charlie wants to play with the calf. Can you see the calf? Very good. Baby geese are called gooselings. Mother goose sends her gooselings to play with Charlie. Do you see the gooselings? Good. Charlie meets the chickens. Male chickens are roosters. Female chickens are hens. And baby chickens are chicks. Charlie says goodbye to the lamb before he goes home. Charlie had a fun and interesting day at the farm. The end.